Introducing the Mercedes-Benz Vision Maybach 6 Cabriolet, a car that seamlessly blends timeless elegance with futuristic innovation. This ultra-luxury electric convertible captures the essence of classic automotive design, featuring an elongated hood, a boat-tail rear, and iconic gull-wing doors that harken back to the golden age of motoring. Finished in deep nautical blue with crystal-clear LED accents, this concept car is a true head-turner. Step inside and you're enveloped in unparalleled luxury. The interior features white Napa leather seats with rose gold accents, flowing wooden trims, and a panoramic glass roof that fills the cabin with natural light. The dashboard integrates a virtual concierge system powered by artificial intelligence, which learns your preferences to provide personalized entertainment, climate control, and driving assistance. The Vision Maybach 6 Cabriolet is not just a car, it's an experience. From its yacht-like proportions to its cutting-edge electric performance, this vehicle redefines luxury for a new era. If you're looking for a car that embodies both heritage and innovation, the Vision Maybach 6 Cabriolet is your ultimate destination. Beneath its elegant exterior lies a powerhouse of electric performance. The Vision Maybach 6 Cabriolet boasts a 750 horsepower drivetrain capable of accelerating from 0 to 60 MRFs in under 4 seconds, with a range exceeding 500 kilometers, 310 miles, on a single charge. Its advanced battery technology ensures rapid charging, giving you 60 miles of range in just 5 minutes.